In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Oanda. If you ever need help with your account, platform questions, or a quick status update, there are several reliable ways to reach support, and I'll walk you through each one so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start with email support. This is a good option for non-urgent questions or when you want a written trail of your conversation. Head to the Oanda Help Center and look for the general customer support email listed there. Some regions also have a separate address, which you'll see on the same page. When you write in, include your account details as requested, a clear description of the issue, and any screenshots that help explain what you're seeing. Most users receive a reply in about 24 hours, though times can vary during peak trading events. If you need help fast, use live chat. Go to the Oanda website or Help Center and select the chat or live chat option. You'll be connected to a support agent who can help in real time. This channel is typically available Sunday through Friday during market trading hours. Keep your account information handy, as they may need to verify your identity before discussing specifics. Live chat is often the quickest way to resolve account-related problems, including login issues, funding questions, or platform errors. Messaging is also supported. From the Help Center, you can choose WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or SMS, depending on your region. These options are handy if you prefer a mobile-first experience or need to follow up on the go. Make sure you're using the official links or numbers listed on the Oanda Help Center, and remember that standard messaging rates may apply. As with email, provide a concise summary of the issue and any relevant order or ticket numbers to speed things up. Phone support is available in certain regions. You'll find the appropriate numbers and hours in the Help Center. Calling can be useful if you have an urgent matter that requires immediate clarification. Before you dial, prepare verification details and a short summary of your issue so the agent can assist you efficiently. Here's the bottom line. If you're not sure where to start, try live chat first. It's usually the fastest route to a solution. Use email for non-urgent matters or when you want a documented response, messaging for convenience, and phone support when you need real-time escalation in supported regions.